lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today I have an exciting haul for you. I went across the border to Watertown, New York. It's in upstate New York. It's about 2 hours from Ottawa, where I live, and I got some things, some really nice things. I only spent yeah, the egg rolls just fell out of the bag onto the floor. Let's try this again. So as I was saying, I went across the border and I picked up some cool items that I wanted to share with you. First thing that I want to show you is some egg rolls that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I love these things. They don't sell them in the Dollar Tree in my city, so whenever I go to the States, I take advantage and I pick some up. I'm gonna show you. I got 2 chicken ones, 3 lobster ones, and 3 shrimp ones. These are the best ones. I will be sharing them with my mom. That's why I have so much. Plus, I'm greedy and I love to eat. Now that the food is out of the way, on to the exciting stuff, the makeup. The stuff I know y'all wanna see. I went to Burlington and I got these Elite Firming eye pads. They help reduce puffiness and under eye circles. It hydrates and renews delicate skin, and it has gold in it, and it has 5 pairs, and it was originally $15, but they were selling them for $3.99. Let's see if I could just, I wonder, okay, so it's all sealed up, so I don't want to open it. Maybe if you guys want a video on it, you can let me know. I've never used them, but girlfriend, I'm popping this under here, so let's see if these work. Next thing that I got is by Spascriptions, and this was originally $12.99 and it was for $4.99. And it's got a few things in here. Here is an anti-aging gel face mask. This one is moisturizing gel face mask. And then the last one is pore refining gel face mask. And it does come with the applicator for you to apply it. So I thought that was quite neat. My friend recommended that I get it, so I got it. I went to TJ Maxx and got this Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick. It was for $5.99. It's a smaller size, and the color is in Can't Touch This. I'm like dropping everything today. This is the color here. I'll give it a swatch. Oh, that is pretty. That is what it looks like. They had other ones too, but this is the color that I like. My favorite place to go to, Ulta. I got the Mario Badescu facial spray. I've never tried it before, but I've heard good things about it, and it was only $5. Also heard good things about this as well. It's the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and it was for $15. Let me just spray. Ooh, it smells good. But I've heard this is very good, and the ladies at the counter said, yeah, if you have oily skin, it will be good for that. So I'm very excited to try it. If you guys have tried it, let me know down below. I've been wanting to try this because I use the brow pencil by Benefit and I love it. This is the Mini Brow. It's a cream gel brow color and it comes with a brush. It's the mini one and it cost me $12. I've been wanting to try it. They weren't kidding when they said it's mini. That's what it looks like. That's the inside. It's in color number 5. Haha, that's so cute. That's the itty bitty brush that comes with it. So cute. It just snaps out. That is so cute. Really excited to try that. I think combined with this, my brows are gonna be looking bomb. And these, oh my god, they're beautiful. I don't subscribe to Jaclyn Hill or anything, but the palettes that she came up with are beautiful. This one is called Ring the Alarm. If I can open it, it was $15. That's the packaging. Oh my good gosh. It comes with a mirror. These are the shadows. Look at them. They're absolutely beautiful. This one's called Bling Boss. Look at that purple. Woo! It's gorgeous. I swatched it in the store and almost died. If you'd like a swatch video, comment down below. And even if you'd like a tutorial, I'll definitely do that for you. I'm here for you guys, so talk to me and let me know. That's everything to my video. I hope you enjoyed my little haul. If you have any other questions besides letting me know if you want to see a more in-depth video of these palettes, of course, put them down below. I'll answer them. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my hauls or other videos for that matter. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed everything that I had to show you, and subscribe if you haven't already. Push that red button. Thanks so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!